In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a company page on LinkedIn. So here we are on the LinkedIn homepage. On the top right hand side in the main menu, you'll see for business. If you click on that, opens up another menu, and at the bottom you have create a company page. You then select company and you fill out all the information that it's asking for here. You can add a logo. You don't have to do that right now. You can add it in later. You will see there's things with an asterisk that you have to complete now that you can't edit later. Then you click on I verify and you create the page. Now, why is creating a company page on LinkedIn important? Let me take you to my page and show you. Firstly, it gives you the opportunity to segment your connections, because not all your connections will be potential clients. So if you get your potential clients to follow your company page, you're then building a relationship with the right people. But if you can see here on the company page, there's a lot of analytical data available here. If I click on followers, I know who the followers are. It shows me how many followers I've had on a daily basis. But right down at the bottom here, you can see who the followers are. I can see exactly who's following my page. But more importantly, look at this demographical information available. Job function, company size, industry, location, seniority. And it shows you, are you targeting the right people to follow your company page? Are you building relationships with the right people? You have analytical data in terms of your content, where you can see how your content is performing. Are people engaging with your content, clicking on it? Look at this one here, it's got a click-through rate of 84.21%. So clearly that resonated with my company page audience. This information you don't get on your news feed posts. So it's highly recommended that you have a company page on LinkedIn. I hope you found this useful. Please check out the other videos in this playlist on other functionality on LinkedIn.